Google Keep has a mobile version to its service, and so you'll notice that the icon, it's a free app for both the Android and the Apple devices. The iPhone is the little light bulb, and so I'm going to go, and anything that you've already done on the web version will actually show up in the mobile version as long as you sign into the same account. So you'll see I already have a Wednesday note of things that I need to do. I can go ahead and add another item to the list. So let's say for cooking, I need to um, bring a Mexican recipe for class. All right, so I can add something to the note. I also have the ability, if I go back into that note, I could say, you know what, I've already done for Spanish class, I've already studied the vocab, so I can check it off, and it's now my completed list. The six dots allow me to actually drag and move an item up if I have an order of hierarchy in terms of priority. On the bottom right corner, I can actually change the color of the note. I also have the ability, you can see I can add labels. So if I want this to be called something certain, so it's all filed in the same spot, I can add Collaborator. So just by clicking that, I can go ahead and type in the email address of the person that this note should be shared with. I can also set a reminder so that at a certain time I can remind myself, and you'll see that that will actually show up. I can even choose a place that so if I enter in my home, I can set that reminder if I need that. Um, but I also have the ability to go into any other notes. But at the very, very bottom, I can take a note. I can also click on the list button and make my new list. What's really neat about the mobile version, you'll see that there's a microphone. So if I click that, I have the ability to tell Google Keep that I need to do worksheet 5.2 for Algebra 1. And so I have the ability to actually, I can title this, so I could say practice audio. And so now when I go back, I will have an actual audio file that I can now listen to both on the web and the mobile version. You just can't create an audio file in the web version currently. If you go ahead and click on the hamburger top left, you have the ability to actually go into individual labels. So if you're really into labeling things so you can only see things that are related to each other, you can create a new label. You can trash things, notes that you don't have anymore. You can look at reminders. And so this is just a really, can be a way by which someone actually organizes themselves through the use of Google Keep.